Hello everyone, today I will bring you a UE5.6 operation tutorial, demonstrating how to export MetaHuman's range of motion animation and bake it into controller animation. You can migrate the operations in the tutorial to your own work scenarios, and then verify the correctness of your custom bindings, as well as repair controller animations for the body or face. Hope the tutorial will be helpful to everyone. Let's enter the tutorial below. You can read the previous tutorial. Turn on engine content and plugin content. Find the MetaHuman character folder. Enter the Optionals folder. Then choose Animation. In Template Animations, we just saw the animations. You can export these facial and body animations according to the method demonstrated later in the tutorial. We can click. Let's take a look at the contents of the body ROM animation. Similarly, we can take a look at the animation of the head. The head animation is a curve animation. We now see facial expressions that cannot be. We can only export it first, and then use the animation. Next, we start exporting the animation as FBX file. Here we use the original name in the engine. We don't need LOD or vertex color and morph target, so unstructure them. We select the Export Preview Mesh. No other settings need to be modified. Then click Export. After exporting the body animation, then we export the face animation, which is similar to the operation just now. We won't change the name here either. Then click Save. Click to export. Wait for a moment and we export the facial animation. After exporting the animation, we create a new folder. Use to store the animation we just exported. Enter the folder and click Import. Browse to the directory of the FBX you just exported. We first import facial animation. Then we find the skeleton. Here we need to pay attention to which skeleton to choose. Select Game MetaHuman Common face the skeleton below this path. Then click to check Import Only Animations. We don't need to import materials. No need to import maps. We double-click to open the imported resource. At this time, you can see the facial expression animation inside. Akin. Import body animations. Check Import Only Animations. Then choose the body skeleton. Note that the path to select is Game MetaHumans Common. The skeleton below this path. We can double-click to browse the animation of the body. Before using this animation, an animation redirection is required. I won't demonstrate here. We can cancel the hook engine content. Plugin content. Then re-import the animation. This time when we choose the skeleton. Only the resources in the project can be selected. There wouldn't be the same as before. Make the engine's own resources. Also included in the options available. Cause choice confusion. Level sequence file. Double-click to open. Drag the blueprint of MetaHuman animation blue character into the scene. Then drag it into the sequencer. It initially has a controller. We deleted the controller components. Then select the animation we just imported. Let me explain it again here. If you really use this animation in your actual work, it is necessary to do an animation redirection once, and the face can be used without. Import animation again. Because of this tutorial, how to bake animations into controllers, so the animation redirection was skipped. Similarly, we import facial animations. The animations we import here are skeleton animations or curve animations. No controller. So one thing we need to do next. It is to reverse bake these animations to the animation controller. This makes it easier for animators to modify. We choose Body. Then uncheck Filter Asset by Skeleton. Then select Bake to control rig. Then select Create. In this way, our body animation is baked into body controller animation. Animators can modify the controller based on this. Then fix the animation. Similar to us, we will make facial animations. Also bake into controller animation. Just choose the first one. We can modify the animation based on baking. Finally, let's demonstrate the controller animation that exports facial animation as a JSON file. We will use the name of the face controller component. Add a ROM afterwards, cannot be modified. Then select the level sequence file. Click the Plugins Export button again. We found the project's save folder. We can just go under the save folder. See a JSON file with the same name. JSON file saves the face controller value.